I found out that a lot of people don't know the difference between the 2008 Toyota Camry and the 2011 Toyota Camry. Same thing goes for RS330 and RS350 2009, 2006. Then same thing goes for ES350 2008 and 2011. So I'll be showing you the little differences in these cars, so you will know they are not the same thing, so you mistake them for each other. Number one is Toyota Camry. This is what the Toyota Camry looks like, 2008 edition, and this is what the 2011 Toyota Camry looks like. And you see that the headlight is wider than each other. Like this one is bigger, this one looks a bit smaller. Same thing goes for the rear lights. This is what the 2008 rear light looks like, and this is what the 2011 rear light looks like. It comes with the dust dots, though you can upgrade to this from 2008. And that difference is the engine. The 4 plugs of a 2008 muzzle, it looks like this. It's a 2AZ engine. This is what it looks like. Why the 2011 4 plugs looks like this? This is what people call Venza engine. Can you see the difference in the 4 plugs engine like that? So those are the major differences between 2008 and 2011 Toyota Camry. So when you see it on the road, you will know the difference, and they are not the same price. They are more expensive than each other. That is that for Toyota Camry. Number 2 is Lexus RX350 2009 model and Lexus RX330 2005 model. Can you see that they have the same similar exterior look, but the engine in each of these cars are different. This 2009 RX350 comes with regular 2GR FE V6 engine that you find in RX350 2011 2014. Do you understand? You can also find this engine too in ES350, while this RX330 2005 model comes with a small V6 engine, which you will find in Lexus ES330. Do you understand? So those are the major differences in this car. So don't mistake the two for each other, like they are using the same body, then they are definitely the same car. No, the prices are different and the performances are different. Number 3 is the Lexus ES350 2008 model and 2011 model ES350. This is what the ES350 2008 model headlight looks like, the fog light and the bumper. Then this is what 2011 light looks like. Can you see the little difference in the headlights and all other parts of it? Then let's go to the back side. This is what the lights at the back of 2011 looks like. This is what 2008 light looks like. Can you see the little adjustments on the reverse light parts? Yes, that's little adjustment there. Then when it comes to inside the car, 2008 does not have an eco mode, while 2011 has an eco mode to save fuel. Do you understand? Then the side mirrors of 2011, can you see what this looks like? It's an electric side mirror that has light, while 2008 does not have electric side mirrors. In 2008, this side mirror is upgraded. Do you understand? So, but in most cases, you can do a full upgrade from 2008 to 2011, but that eco mode part, you can't upgrade it. So those are the little differences between 2008 and 2011. So don't mistake them for each other when you see them on the road. Number 4, it's a bonus one. It can be funny to some people though, but there are 2 different types of Big Daddy. Yes, that's the Toyota 2004. There's 2004 model and there's 2005 model. Let me show you the little differences. The major difference is the light also. The front lights of 2004, this is what it looks like. In 2005, this is what it looks like. Can you see the difference in the light like that? But this is what most people buy when they're buying new bulb for their, new headlight for their cars. But this actually belongs to 2005 Toyota Camry. Do you understand? Then the rear lights too. 2004, see what it looks like. Then 2005, see what it looks like. Can see the major difference there. Then when it comes to the interior, the infotainment system, like the speedometer part of 2004, this is how it looks like. It's boring. Why 2005 one, it's better. It has more lightning and color and all that. So those are the little major differences. And there's some XLE of 2005 comes with Formica, that wooden look, but it's not enough, but you find it from 2005. So those are the major differences. So if there are other cars you would like me to compare for you to know differences between the years, let me know in the comment section, or you let me know in my DM, so I'll make the video. Bye.